Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essential access. Now take the first steps. Sign into your GitHub account and open the specific repository you intend to remove. Once there, click the Settings tab in the repo toolbar. This is where deletion controls live. Make sure you're on the root repository and not a fork you do not control. If branches or actions matter, note them now. Keep a local backup if needed. Once deleted, recovery is more difficult. Proceed only when you're certain this repo can be removed. Once in Settings, scroll down to the danger zone at the bottom of the page and find Delete this repository. Click that red button to open the confirmation dialog. GitHub shows the exact repository name and consequences. Carefully read the prompt. It will explain that issues, wikis, and forks may be affected. When asked, type the full repository name exactly as shown. That deliberate step prevents accidents. After typing, click the final confirmation button. This action permanently removes the repository from your account. After confirming deletion, wait for GitHub to process and then check your repositories list to verify it's gone. If you kept a local clone, you can recreate a repository and push code again, so backups are valuable. If the repository did not delete, or you don't see the Delete this repository option, make sure you have admin rights. Organization-owned repos may block deletion. Also confirm required repository protections or branch rules are disabled. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.